how to unload my load because I didn't think about it. Where's the old AC unit gonna go? So we gotta load that back up and dump it in here. Alrighty folks, the job is done. Well, not done, but the new unit's dropped off. The old unit is picked up. And now Jose and our installer, our number one guy, shout outs to Mordo. We love him. They're gonna wrap up the job and it's gonna be complete. So we're hope she's happy. It's gonna be spring, gonna be summer. She'll be nice and cool. And yeah, this wasn't my cup of tea when I first met Chaps. Wasn't what I do, but he pulled me from dental years ago to work with him. I made some bomb ass money and I swear I never do anything else but HVAC, and I'm in love with it. So, and you meet a lot of cool people along the way and you get to help people, and it's really a cool ass field. So till next install.